On today's virtual tour, we talk two-tone cabinet color, upper cabinet lighting, and a beautiful tile mosaic at the cooktop. Hey everybody, Scott Monday with Kitchen and Bath Crate, and today's virtual tour is kitchenCRATE Granny Lane in Modesto. So I want to show you 4 different parts of this project I think you're really going to enjoy. A few features that aren't too common in a kitchenCRATE, so let's jump right in. One of the first things you will notice, a little more common, but something we still like to highlight, is the two-tone cabinet color. You're going to notice a beautiful kind of a creamy white color on the primary cabinets, and then at the island you're going to notice a kind of a rich, dark chocolate color, and just the contrast of those two colors add a visual pop for this project that I really enjoyed. The next thing is a stunning mosaic at the cooktop backsplash. We went through a lot of pain and process with this backsplash to find just the right combination of materials, and it turned out phenomenal. When it was going in, I was standing there with the customer, and he and I were both just looking at this saying we nailed it. So I was really happy about that. Beautiful mix of different tiles and features and things like that at the cooktop backsplash. You got to check that out. The next thing I want to point out is the upper cabinet lighting. Now we talk about under cabinet lighting quite often. Upper cabinet lighting is just that. It's LED lighting that's on its own dedicated switch that turns on and casts lighting up along the wall. Now of course it can only be done when there's space between the top of the upper cabinets and the ceiling, but of course that was the case here on Granny Lane and we took advantage of it. It turned out beautifully. The last thing I want to point out to you is the many hundreds of square feet of wood flooring that went into this project. It's just a beautiful flooring install, a nice rich dark floor that gives the whole kitchen and really the rest of the space downstairs just a good footing when it comes to a design sense to rest upon. This project also featured some work at the fireplace and some other areas, and so check out these pictures, they scroll through. So do you have any need for a kitchen renovation or bathroom renovation in your own home? If you do, give us a call at 888-995-7996, or of course log on to kbcrate.com, the newly designed kbcrate.com. Thanks so much.